Hey guys, I am here in the heart of Orange Beach, about to walk you through the best deal on the island. Of course, you're about to see why. This house is in pretty bad shape. It definitely needs to either be torn down completely or it would need some pretty good renovations to make it a little cabin here at the beach. This is a great neighborhood. Huge lot. If you'll stick around to the end, we'll put some drone shots of the lot. This is going to be one of the biggest lots you will find in Orange Beach. Super rare to get such a big lot in Orange Beach, and you could do a lot of different things with this lot. So you definitely want to check out and see this this real handyman special here in Orange Beach. We've got this property listed at $259,000. And if that price point excites you, you'll definitely want to check this one out. So come take a look with us. Guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home in Orange Beach. As you can see right away, this property experienced roof damage. That is from Hurricane Sally in 2020. The owners didn't know about the damage for a little while, and they decided to sell it as is. So we did not put any value on this structure, this mobile home here, but I do think the right person could renovate this property and make it well, pretty nice actually. It's got some pretty good space here. We got a fireplace back there. Second bedroom there. And can't really see the bathroom, the second bathroom too well, but it's there. Nice covered workshop area here. Got an outdoor sink. And you get this large covered area back here. It's got some potential. Really, really big lot, guys. This lot overgrown. We're not going to be able to get all the way back there, but it backs up to the nature trail in Orange Beach on back there. Vinyl siding. Screened in front porch, although the screen's in not good shape. Got some nice trees on this property, as you can see. Big front yard. Got a nice flagpole there to hang your favorite flag. That'll take you out to 161 right there, and you will pass the post office on your right. Going to 161. This is a really quiet, cute neighborhood. Hey guys, that's going to do it for our video walkthrough of our Handyman Special, listed here at $259,000 in Orange Beach, Alabama. A rare price point, especially considering this quiet subdivision that is really close to 161 and the beaches and everything that Orange Beach has to offer. Very, very rare to find such a large lot in Orange Beach, especially for this price. You can check out our drone shots to see just how big this lot is. And this property could be renovated. I have been more thinking that someone will tear it down and build new. As you can see, there's two brand new houses built behind me, so that is probably the more likely scenario. But if you were on a budget and you wanted to renovate that house and have it as a beach cabin, second home, or even live into it full time, you could do that. I hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.